What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Scott Bernhardt here, and I'm here with another video for you all guys. I know, right? We're doing a little things a little different. So for me, I'm always on the go. I'm always here, there, and everywhere, and I come home late. And when I come home late, I don't really want to think about the food I gotta prepare and think about recipes and things like that, right? Like right now, it's a Friday night, and I don't really want to think about what I gotta prepare. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna improvise and use the ingredients that's in my fridge right now. I'm just gonna create something, and that's what I'm gonna do. And also, you guys get the awesome opportunity to name this dish, because I don't know what the name of this dish I'm gonna prepare, but you guys are gonna get the opportunity to name this dish in the comment section below after, at the end of the video. All right, so let me show you the ingredients that I'm working with, and let's go.
Alright guys, so you can see that I've chopped up the ingredients that I took out of my fridge, and here we have some plantains chopped up, nice. We got some tomatoes with some garlic on the side. We got some purple cabbage. We have some mushrooms, I love mushrooms. We got green peppers for the spice. We got zucchini and squash, and we have some chopped up onions right there. We got some chickpeas, love it. We have masala, cumin, curry powder, and turmeric, and then we have some salt, some coconut oil, some red pepper, and some black pepper. So this is what I'm going to be using to create my unknown recipe meal. Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, so now we have our ingredients here. We're just gonna put them in this wonderful bowl. Alright, so we're just gonna take a handful of green peppers and mushrooms. Let's put a little bit more of that. And take a handful of the zucchini and the squash. Try to take as much as I can of some little onion right here. Boom. Now I'm gonna take a handful of plantains, whatever you call it. Plantain. I'm Jamaican, so plantain. Boom. Alright, so now we're just gonna throw the chickpeas up in there. See how that's wonderful. Alright, so now we have some tomatoes. I'm gonna take a little handful of tomatoes and garlic. Don't forget the garlic. So with my garlic, I'm on garlic crusher right here. Let's put it in. I'm gonna crush it. All the muscles I've been using in the gym for this. Alright, there we go. I'm just gonna come on up. Scrape it out. Sound like my mother. Scrape it out. Alright. One more garlic clove, to ward off the vampires in your life. There we go. Next, we're adding the ingredients. So I have my turmeric, dash that in there. I have my boom curry powder. I have my masala. And I have my cumin. Boom, all up in there. Don't forget the black pepper. I'm improvising, guys. Hope it comes out good. I have my red pepper, cayenne red pepper. Boom. Because I like it spicy. And some salt. Because who doesn't love salt? Not too much. Boom. And last, I have my coconut oil. All over. Good. So now I'm just gonna toss my ingredients in a elegant fashion. I don't even know if this is elegant or not, but it's looking good. Alright, I feel like we tossed it enough. Now we're gonna add the purple cabbage. It's very purple. So boom. that. Good. I'm just gonna toss it. Keep going. This is a very high protein meal right here. You know, it has the mushrooms, has the chickpeas, which is high in protein, and all the vegetables, you know, have protein in it. So yeah, really good for muscle building. So see, we have our ingredients all fused up and everything like that. So now I'm just gonna put it on this pan right here. All right, remember, I'm improvising. All right, guys, so now I'm spreading it out. You gotta spread the love, you know, you can't just have it all one thing. Spread it out, and voila. Got my ingredients in here. Ooh, look at that. All right, so with my improvisation, I'm gonna try to bake it. You know, I'm just gonna bake it. So this is what I've done with the foil paper. I put some coconut oil on it, and I'm just gonna put it on top. Seal the deal here. Make sure that the coconut oil is going to drip all over the ingredients. Now next, I put my oven on 350 degrees, and we're just going to put it in there for like about half an hour. All right, so I see you guys in half an hour, because I know you ain't going to wait half an hour for a video anyways. All right, put that bad boy in there. 30 minutes has passed, and we're gonna check on our recipe. So I'm going in the oven, got my mittens on. Take it out. I'm gonna take the foil paper out. Let's see what we got here.
Take your mittens.
Wow. Woo. Look at that. We improvised it. But it's looking real good right now. Looking real good. Alright, so I'm gonna take my mitten off and just mix it into it. Look at that. Mix it. Said I'm mixing it up. Oh, this is looking real good, guys. I can't wait for the taste test. That's the most important thing. Nice little healthy meal. Alright, everything's mixed up. Put my mutton on. Put it back into the oven. Give it like 10 minutes. Put it back in there. While 10 minutes is up, let's check out and see what we got here. Alright. Ooh la la. Look at this. Ooh. Not bad for an improvised meal, huh? Let's put it down right here. It's ready, and I'm about to dig in, man, because I'm hungry. Let's go and put some in here. This looking real good, man. Now it's time for the most important thing, the taste test. All right, so seeing that this is an improvised meal, I haven't tasted this before, so let's see what we got here. All right, let's get some plantain. The plantain, the cabbage, the spices. Oh my God.
This is exciting my taste buds right now. Let me get one more. Oh yeah. This one is putting me in my happy place right now. Oh, this is good. Guys, I think we got one. We got one. So rate, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you like more cooking videos like this one, alright? It's your boy Scott Bernhard. I'm shining out, alright? Let me get some more of this. Some more. I'm gonna enjoy this tonight. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video, alright? Peace.